Fashion Boutique, and I have done a video on this, so if you want to check it out, the link will be in the description box. Alright, let's go down. So here is the makeup spot. Here's inside of the lipstick. It's Secret Sally. Here are some other Shopkins in my makeup spot. Let's check out the fruit and veg stand. I have a video on the fruit and veg stand that will also be in the description box. Now let's check out the She Dazzle. Who's in the shoe boxes? Alright, let's go down another. This is the Small Mart. I also have a video on the Small Mart, and it will also be in the description box. Let's go shopping. Oh no! Shocking down! Shocking down! So many! Too many! I think this cart's too full.